Mobile phones have changed the world. From the first bulky portable devices to today's smartphones, they have become a constant in our lives. But what if we stop using them soon? Let's explore the future of communication technologies and see what might come after mobile phones. Part 1. Why might mobile phones be replaced? Smartphones are incredibly useful, but they have limitations. Size constraints. Bigger screen mean bulky devices which are less practical. Dependence on manual operation. Most interactions still require touch controls, limiting multitasking. The need for innovations. Technology keeps evolving and people are looking for newer, more efficient solutions. Part 2. What could replace mobile phones? There are several contenders for the new big thing: wearable devices. Smart glasses or AR contact lenses could project information directly in front of our eyes. Brain-computer interfaces. Technologies like Neuralink are working on linking the brain to devices, enabling us to control the digital world with thoughts. Virtual reality. VR headset could replace smartphones by creating fully impressive digital environments. Holograms. Image chatting with friends via a holograms that appears right in your living room. Part 3. When will this happen? Expert predicts we might see the first significant replacement for mobile phones within the next 10 to 20 years. However, this will depend on technological advancements, public acceptance, and the affordability of these innovations. Conclusion. The future of communication technology is exciting. Mobile phones as we know them might not be around forever. Soon we could be wearing AR glasses, using holograms, or controlling everything with our thoughts. What do you think? What would you like to replace your smartphone? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow my channel for more insights into the future of technology.